Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Honest Straightforward Reviews, where I bring you unbiased reviews. Now I'm really excited today to bring to you guys my AMD Radeon that I got my hands on, and I overpaid on it by about $350, the RX 5800 XT, and for the price I got it, I could have gotten a 6900 XT if I could get my hands on them, but because of the shortages, obviously there's no stock, so I was forced kind of by this scalping company called Shopping Express. They had stock, but they made me pay postage, credit card surcharged and everything like that, even though I was buying a premium product from them. They could have at least foot those things. So anyways, I ended up paying about $18.34. Anyways, let's get that out of the way. I'm still really super excited about this Taichi box. The box was completely scratched when it got here. Anyways, let's get this unboxing underway. Now, before I open it up, so that's the box. Very similar to the 5700 XT, if you had seen an unboxing of that. Now, I don't know if this is how it comes, but I haven't opened it yet. So, if you look at here, it was already, didn't have any seals, nothing like that, okay? Okay, there's the Asrock sign. Nothing too flashy about the box. Again, no seal. Just a pull-out tab. Oh, better not drop it. Okay, all right. Now, opening the box up, you get a little card from Asrock. Do not disturb on duty. Work done, come in. I could use one of these on my door, although I don't think any of the little ones would care. All right, it's got a quick installation guide on how to install this card, HDMI ports and everything. It's in different languages. That's why this is so thick. One would think it's quite simple and straightforward. Let me properly open this up. Now this is a lot bigger than the 5700 XT card by Sapphire Pulse that I bought recently. Anyways, this is a coaster for Asrock. And you get some stickers as well, do not touch and all that stuff. All right, very nice cushiony foam. Get that out of the way. Wow, that's the beast. What a beast. Now, I know it's gonna, a lot of you are gonna lose your mind because I'm gonna put this in an eGPU connected to my MacBook Pro. I know, but if I'll lose a lot of performance, but if I don't like it, I can always build a PC. And if you guys like to see that, go fund me on Patreon. All right, I'll put that aside for now. I want to look at what else you get. Nothing. Okay, that's it. All right, let's get this out of the way. So yeah, this is all self-funded, guys. I don't get anything from anyone other than obviously Patreon supporters, which I've got none at the moment. Anyways, let's get this opened up. But yeah, feel free, guys. I'm getting a feeling that this was opened up because these aren't looking that good. Okay, all right. I hope it's not opened up before. That would make it a second-hand product. All right, guys, so there you have it. Obviously, you don't have all the colors because the RGB is off. Okay, so that is a massive card there. Massive card. Let's peel these off. And stay tuned for all the results. I'll be doing a gaming test in productivity. Obviously, these ones aren't as good as the 300 series by NVIDIA for productivity for the first time with AMD, but let's see how I go. If you like to see that, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. I'll try and be as gentle as I can because I've burnt computer, short-circuited computer stuff before. Alright, so that's out of the way. I don't think there's anything else for me to peel off other than that, all that. Okay, so that's a mighty card right there. Oh, there you go. There's more. I'll do that later. That's a fantastic heat sink. And plastic at the back. Let's peel that off. Ooh, look at that plate. Okay. All right, so you've got P and Q BIOS, and you've got LED on and off, which is easy. Performance, and I don't know what the Q means, but I'll look into it for you guys if you want. Let's get this one peeled off. As you guys can see, I'm really excited and like, yeah. Okay, so I think that's a LCD maybe. Okay, all right, guys, that's basically it from me. So you've got the ports there. You've got a USB-C port as well. You've got a HDMI and 2 display ports. I'll be using the display port, obviously. Now, this is really nice to see. This is really, really nice to see. Okay, that's awesome to see that. A lot of cards don't have that. All right, basically that's it, guys. Give this channel a subscribe and a like if you liked that video, and let me know what else you guys would like me to do. Thanks. Take care. All right, guys, so if you want to see more videos and support the channel and you like this video, please give me a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. Also check out my Twitter, Instagram, and Patreon accounts. That helps a lot if you follow them and contribute there. Thanks so much. Take care. Bye.